Hello everyone, welcome to the channel for a new video. This time we're going to be doing our first unboxing here. Let's get started, homies. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Astro's A03. We're going to be doing a review about this. So I'm going to be recording first the unboxing, and during probably a better time, just like probably a week, I'm going to be doing my perspective of how I feel about these ear pops or earbuds. They call it in ear monitors. So they actually have a better consistently configuration with the hardware to actually work out the problem like the mostly AirPods have. Actually, they broke quickly and they don't sound so good. Depends on the device that you use. So they are going to be like um, doing it for PC, mobile, console, and mixed amp. So I'm actually not a fan of Astro, but they actually are really good headsets. I have the Astro A40s that are basically headsets with big giant um, ear stuff. So I decided to actually change completely my wayside because I'm actually getting like the main problem from the headsets that actually is like um, you actually get stuck on your head and you actually getting bald basically. Yeah. So I'm actually decided to actually change completely the two earpods so I'm actually can use it normally like without any problem in the head. So I decided to do that, and let's get started with the first thing that is actually opening. I already opened the sticker. You already have the sticker on this side, as you can see, where the bottom is. So the first thing we got here is just like um, basically we got the headsets over here. We got the devices that we can use it. You can see the computer, tablet, phones, controllers, whatever, and they show you over here, as you can see in this side, the mic that I have, and you can use it for lower the mic, lower the volume of the headset, and play and stop or skip another music or return back. So let's take it off from here. So we got the headsets over here, actually in plastic. So we take off here. Carefully, we try to do not screw it up, and break them before we actually use it. So we take it off from here. And we take it off from here too. There you go. As you can see, the cable is actually like small, very small. Like basically, just you can barely see it. You actually have the audio jack. So over here, we take off this. It also includes a cover to actually put the headset, the AirPods, so you actually don't have to use it in your pockets or just carrying them all the time. So you can actually have this. And they give you a sticker from Astro, like promoting everything. They give you two pairs of ears comfort. If your ears actually are bigger or smaller, you actually can use it. For now, I'm going to stick with the normal ones. If I feel uncomfortable, I will take off and then change it. It depends on the big ones or the ears, if you have big ears or not. And obviously, we got the instructions that basically have, let me see, we got it in Spanish, we got in English, and probably, yeah, I don't see any other language. Oh, we got French. So we got three languages on the headset: Portuguese. No, we don't have French. So my bad. It's actually Portuguese. Oh, we got French. Yeah, we got four languages: Spanish, English, Portuguese, and French. So we close here, and you can see this is the actually how you can change the ear comfort for your headsets, and they tell you a few other stuff. Actually, if you dual driver technology, conductor, whatever. So they give you a lot of stuff. So what they actually bring. So let's try first. Obviously, they took off the label. I'm going to do like a real honest review because I really don't want to like, oh yeah, this is actually really good. I'm sponsored by, and I'm not sponsored by Astro. I'm going to do that because I need better comfort in my head. You know, that's why I actually buy them. The only thing that I'm looking for is these ones. Oh yes, it does. So it actually over here, as you can see, hey, it's kind of hard to see it, but it's actually got the left and the right side. So you actually select completely correct way. And you put it on here, and they feel really comfortable, and it's not that bad, you know. You have noise cancellation too, so you actually don't hear too much outside, uh, which is good for gaming. But it's actually good for yourself if you're actually training or doing gym or everything like that. Compared, so that's a good thing. But it's also bad in a certain way because if you like live in apartments or live in different places that actually have like you can be talking too loud, that actually doesn't help you too much basically. So let's put it on here. Yeah, actually really works with the completely uh, with the mix amp. So now I take it off and you can see we got three bottoms: max, minimum, and the middle one. Probably you can mute your mic with this one, with the middle one. You can take off the volume up and down. And the good thing actually I really would like is actually like you can take off the mic, but they actually don't. But it's not bad. I mean, that's not a problem. It's not an issue. For now, I will be trying these headsets in a while, and probably in a week I'm going to be like talking about my experience with those headsets. So I'm going to skip this part to the next week. One eternity later. So after a month and a half, I've been trying the Astro A03. I think I say correctly the name. They're basically the earbuds that I've been was talking before, and yes, they're actually pretty interesting. The first thing that I will probably say, you have to configure the way you sound um, on the headset. For example, um, you have to go to Windows configuration sound control panel and change. For example, if you're in PC, you have to change the frequency that actually you hear because it's kind of different from the headsets, the Astro A40 that I have, that basically have mixed amp too, and they sounds really dull. The AirPods when you actually put it in a normal way, and so we decide. I actually decided to figure out. I was like a couple of days configuring, and after that, I adapt quickly to the AirPods. Another thing that I would probably say, if you're not too well configuring stuff in PCs, um, I will say if you don't like the sound, don't buy it. Because it's going to be like very difficult for yourself to actually have it like that. and probably you're going to have to configure it, do a lot of stuff, but actually it's not worth it, the time. Um, it is for me because I really don't want to play anymore with headsets, and I haven't used headsets in about a month and a half. That probably I'll say in the video that on the first recording videos that I make the unboxing. I said that about like 2 weeks I was going to do a video, and then no, I stay like almost month and a half, probably a little bit more. And like I said, I really enjoy it. It's not bad product, so I recommend it to buy it, try it. If you know how to configure a sound control panel, then configure it to your frequencies, because every single person have different frequencies. That's why people say, oh, Astros are garbage, or Logitech is garbage, or Razer is garbage. I'm talking about headsets, and the fact is actually not, they're not bad. It's more like your frequency of your ear is actually different, the basic one for that headset, and you actually don't like it, and you just need to like change the frequency, the hertz, um, how they actually manage everything like that, and then you have your your audio the way you want to have it, which you feel comfortable. Also, it's kind of hard to also like, you have to wait like probably through 2 or 3 weeks to come to be like trying to get the headset in a right spot. So you actually adapt yourself to the correct frequency to yourself. Also, I configure the Astros A40 plus the sound control panel from my computer, and yeah, I mix it so it's actually sound loud, very loud. I can hear the steps. Sometimes like game like Bloodhound and Apex Legends, who got problems with audio problems, that most of the time, yeah, you probably, when you're in shooting or something like that, you're not going to hear any shit. So this, being honest, because I play Bloodhound, I really like the game, but they have problem with audio, and the same thing we happens with Apex. They actually are amazing game and really good gameplay, but the problem with those games is actually the audio. I also try today. I tried the training on Halo Infinite, and yeah, I can hear completely everything. So they actually don't have any problems related to audio. So yeah. So basically, what it is, this is completely. So if you want to feel more comfortable, if you're using glasses and everything like that, yes, I would recommend to use these earpods. Don't use headsets if you're like, unless you use, you know, hats or anything, because you're going to have problem with your hair, like I do right now. So I prefer now the earpods, which is more comfortable. You can take it off quickly. You can carry it for every single place, and you won't see like different with the people when you're using headsets instead. But the headsets, the only thing that I actually like is the noise cancellation, that it blocks everything from your ears compared with the AirPods. But it's still like kind of minimum, but at the same time actually really worth it too. So it's basically it's your choice. You decide what device you want to use for your headsets or earpods, and yeah, and just enjoy gaming. And that's everything for today. I hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and follow our social medias like Twitter, um, Instagram, Twitch, Daishio TV, Fruit Lab, also Daishio. On Twitter, I think it's Daishio Kanegi. Instagram is Daishio, Real Daishio on TikTok. And see you next time, and have a good day, homies.